A few years ago, my life changed in a single instant right after a doctor's appointment. My husband was diagnosed with cancer, and in that moment, everything shifted. We weren't just fighting a disease, we were fighting for our life together. We were fighting for more time, for more hope, for more joy. The path forward was radical, a raw plant based diet. I'll be honest with you, I never imagined such a drastic change. We were living on the SAD, the standard American diet. We were tired, carrying that extra weight, that extra fat, and we didn't know what we didn't know. But love will make you do some incredible things. So we were all in, and what happened shocked us both. The first month was the hardest. We cleaned out the entire pantry, the cupboards, the cabinets, the refrigerators. Anything in a box, bag, or can was just simply gone. Food is comfort. Food is memory. Food is a habit. Have you ever had to remove almost everything familiar to you in your kitchen? It's an emotional gut punch. We threw out so much food, lunch meats, meal, relishes. Anything that was open went in the garbage. Anything that was not organic was also removed. We gave away cans of unopened juices, milk, basically everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. We are starting from scratch. Anything that wasn't unopened, different types of oils. Again, we had 3 piles in the kitchen, one for trash, one for friends and family, and one for food bank donations. There was very little to give the food bank because my family took the majority of it. It was given to friends and family members. We stayed focused on the fact that food would be our medicine and medicine would be our food. Then we plunged into a world of sprouts, wheatgrass, soaked nuts, and raw soups. And let me just say, I still don't understand that wheatgrass juice. If you're a fan of wheatgrass, just go ahead and just type wheatgrass in the comments below because you are definitely much stronger than I am. But my husband, he was a champion. He just did what he had to do. And watching him gave me the strength also. My hands became the most important tools. They were constantly being washed, peeling, slicing, dicing, massaging greens. Instead of burns from pots and pans, my hands carried the cool feel of fresh produce and that earthy smell of herbs. They were stained with deep colors of beets, turmeric, and berries. My hands looked like they had been painting with food. My hands became instruments of love, nourishment, creativity, and also hope. But I would be lying if I said it was easy because it was not easy being in the kitchen constantly. I felt like it was a full-time job. There were days I just wanted to quit, but then I would look at my husband and he would smile, and I knew that it was all worth it. So I kept on going, and a surprisingly thing happened. I started to feel different too. I had more energy, my body felt lighter, my own joints, aches, they started to fade, and then the breakthrough. After 2 months, the changes were no longer just on our plates, they were visible. People started noticing things. What have you two been up to? Then you've lost a little weight. Oh, you've lost a lot of weight. My husband went from a size extra, extra large to a medium. My stomach went flat like it was when it was in high school. Jeans that I hadn't worn in years, saving them in the closet so that I can use them again. Yes, I was able to wear them and I was happy. We were losing weight without exercising, didn't have time to exercise. I was in the kitchen. It was a staggering transformation. But the real change was deeper. We felt lighter, clearer, more energetic, and more in control. Let me just be clear. Taking control of your health is a critical step. If you believe that, just go ahead and type health in the comments below. I also believe it's not only about food, it's about your mindset, your faith, the hope that you choose to hold on to during the process. And for me, that meant speaking it out loud, claiming it, praying, opening up my Bible, believing for strength one day at a time. As the moments went on, that radical routine, what was once felt overwhelming became normal. 8 months after we started, we lost a combined total of 110 pounds. Let that number just land for a minute. That number still amazes me. But the weight loss was a byproduct. The real win was how we showed up for each other every single day, how love made us disciplined. My husband is no longer with us, but the lessons learned from this journey are still with me. They are the foundation of everything that I do today. In that season, it taught me that food matters, that small daily choices create powerful change, and that you don't have to be a gourmet chef to begin changing your life. Although I am a home chef and I took many certification classes during the time of my husband's illness. But what you need is a simple plan, and that is a powerful why. My mission now is to take everything that I've learned through the love and the loss and make this journey easier for someone else. I want to give you the simplest starting point I wish I'd have had without the crisis that forced me to learn it. So if you're ready to begin your own transformation, your very first step is to go ahead and grab my freebie. It's listed down below. And also I have a 7-day no overwhelm meal plan. It's simple, it's clear, and designed to help you take those first steps without feeling lost. You can get it right now by using that link that's down below. Thank you for letting me share my story with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.